Today was pretty exciting for me. I have received Hello Kitty, I guess they're thumb protectors, um, Joy Joy-Con protectors. I call them thumb thingies. I don't know exactly what they are, but they're really cute, and these are for Switch 2. I think it fits PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and a lot of other controllers. Not for the original Switch. It's not for the Switch Lite or the OLED. So it's pretty much everything except the original Switch lineup. So these that I have on, they're actually for my old Switch. I just put them on because they're really big, so they were too big to fit on my original Switch. But these are a little bit more, I guess, snug for the Switch 2, and that's why I had bought these specifically for the Switch 2, so it'll fit better. And because these are kind of tight, it kind of can make me move a little bit funny, just because it has the ability to kind of like shift direction. So I guess I accidentally gave myself Joy-Con drift when it's not even a thing. Like I never even had Joy-Con drift in my like 5.5 years of having the first Switch. But anyway, we're gonna try to put them on. We're going to take these older ones off, and they are really cute. It's just that, like, if you look at like the opening, it's a little bit smaller. And so here's the new ones, and I don't know, I guess the opening seems smaller for the new ones, but it's because like they've never been on any of these, like been on the little Joy-Cons, so I guess like it's not stretched out like these. We're gonna try to put them on. Wipe off some dust. It's been kind of dusty around here because I have the AC going, and I have like 10 fans going off at the same time, including my ceiling fan. So it's just blowing out a lot of dust, and Stinky has been shedding a lot because it's been a little bit too hot, and he just wants me to clean up after him. So okay, so that's what it looks like. It fits on pretty easily. And then this is like cinnamon roll. There's Kuromi. There's My Melody. Maybe yeah, I'll put My Melody over here. And that's it. And I think I'll just put my red Hello Kitty in here in case I use them again. yeah, those are my little Hello Kitty thumb thingies that I received.